851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hey everyone, welcome to DJ's Aviation. Since the 2018 Farnborough Air Show, noteworthy aircraft orders, or even order cancellations, haven't really appeared as frequently. Until today. Reuters outlined that Malaysia Airlines, an airline operating the likes of the A330, A380 and more, had lapsed their provisional deal to purchase 8 of the Boeing 787 Dreamliners. The original MOU was signed with Boeing last year and was valued at $2.25 billion at list prices. The removal of the MOU for the 787s came as not a big surprise to many, including myself, as a lot of people had argued over time that the Boeing 787, while being an efficient aircraft, did not really fit in with Malaysian Airlines and where they were looking to take the airline in the future. In April, it was reported that Malaysia Airlines were also eyeing a brand new order for a wide-body aircraft. Similar to a number of airlines right now, Malaysian Airlines were in discussions with both Airbus and Boeing, and were actually weighing up numerous options. This potential new order that was discussed earlier in the year was said to consist of 20 to 30 wide-body jets that would replace or potentially expand on their existing MOU for the 787s. At that time, it was unclear whether it would be for expansion purposes or for pure replacement. Ultimately, we now have that answer. It's for replacement. Interestingly enough, Malaysian Airlines have opted for an all-Airbus wide-body fleet. This consists of the A330ceo, A350 and A380. There is no wide-body Boeing aircraft in 2018 operating with them. This was before the Boeing 777 operated with them. However, after the unfortunate incident, these were removed from the airline's portfolio of aircraft. Since then, it's all been Airbus, and it looks to be staying this way, as the A330neo could be the perfect fit for Airbus, seeming they already operate the A330ceo. However, in saying all of this, Malaysian Airlines have been undergoing a constant restructure since the unfortunate incidents that rocked the airline in 2014. With operating costs rising, informed decisions need to be made, and rushing these decisions won't do anyone any good, especially with the state of the industry now. Additionally, with their goal of becoming profitable again by 2019, potentially a decision may not come until next year. If we head back to April though, when the news of discussions with Airbus and Boeing for a new wide-body aircraft actually broke, Malaysia Airlines were quick to play down the speculation, detailing that it was very simply speculation and their MOU for the 787s was still in place. As the rumours continued to build, it was identified that the A330neo, A350 and even the 787 at the time were all candidates for the new order. As the MOU with the 787 has now been removed, it would appear that the remaining two candidates are the A330neo and the A350. The airline took delivery of its first A350 late last year, and a new sizable order would grow their commitment to the twin-engined aircraft with Airbus. As the 787 directly competes with the A330neo, a potential attractive offer from Airbus for the new engine option A330 could entice the airline to put their future in Airbus's hands. Regardless of their eventual decision, the original MOU that was signed late last year did come as a shock to many, especially as it appeared that the airline had moved away completely from Boeing in the wide-body sector. What do you make of the cancelled MOU? Was it the correct decision? Let me know in the comment section below, as always. I'd like to take the time now to thank you very much for tuning into this video of mine, and I do look forward to you all joining me in the next one.
Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.